Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am here today to plan another week in my daughter's memory keeping planner. This is the week of June 8th. That was the French Bulldog snorting behind me. This is a Michael's Recollections planner, if you are new and are wondering. This week I am using a free Erin Condren kit by Victoria Thatcher. I will link her website down below. This kit is called Doggo and I think it's super funny. So it says, if you want the best seat in the house, you'll have to move the dog, handle every stressful situation like a dog. If you can't eat or play with it, just pee on it and walk away. And if you're uncomfortable around my dog, I'm happy to lock you in the other room when you come over. So we have that sheet. We have, these are smaller kits, so I'll show you what I've got here. These are full boxes and then some half boxes and date covers. And then we have bottom washi, one of which says you can trust your dog to guard your house, but never your sandwich. How true that is. And then a little Monday to full week box. Dog's still making a lot of noise. Then because it is such a small kit, I did pull some things. So I went through my leftovers and I pulled some boxes that I thought would match the colors. I also pulled out all of my glitter headers and found enough pink ones that don't all match, but I think they'll be fine. I probably won't use that one. And then this green, which sort of matches that color. And then I think these two here. And I also pulled out these stickers, which are left over from a planner Pixie Co kit that I'll use to mark her online schooling. So we will start with our bottom washi, which I don't think I'm going to have to trim. Nope, doesn't look like it. So we will... Okay, a little better. And then, whoops, this one. My daughter is at her mom's until tomorrow. I'm filming this on, oh, that's not quite right, is it? Okay, there we go. That fit a little bit weirdly, but it is down. And then let's do our date covers. I don't think I'm gonna put actual numbers on these ones. But let's see if I can cover. I don't think I'll be able to. Oh, I might just cover it all. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to put the actual numbers on these. I do almost every other week, so I think we'll be able to guess what the dates are. That looks like it, oh no. My daughter is at her mom's most of this week. She comes home on Friday, so I probably won't have tons to put in here for the first half of the week. She's also there. She's been there for almost 2 weeks when she comes back. So last week is also like pretty bare. which is funny because I put down fewer boxes than I normally do to just try to be able to put like 1 or 2 things, but I haven't actually talked to her that much. Like we've just talked by text a couple times, so I haven't had tons to put in there, but that is okay. Okay, I'm gonna leave these for a second. I'm gonna do my glitter headers. So I think I'm gonna do, so whoops. I'm gonna start with this. And I have to be careful about how I stick these down because these are ones that are printed on old, extremely sticky paper. And I don't want to mess them up. Wait, no. Yeah, that's right. Okay. All right, just going crazy. Don't mind me. This, and this. I am not sure what our next like few weeks are gonna look like. I think she's gonna be here for 2 weeks and then probably at her mom's for another 2. I'm just not sure like what we're gonna do after that for the summer. I mean, normally we just do obviously like week on, week off. We stopped doing that for the pandemic, which I've talked about before. And now we're sort of easing our way back into normal, but it's hard to know. Normal looks so different than it used to, right? It's hard to know what the right thing is to do. If your family is blended and you've been dealing with this stuff as well, I would love to know how you guys chose to handle it and what sort of measures you guys put in place for keeping everyone as healthy as possible. That was really our goal all along, and we've certainly succeeded in that. Not, you know, we, as far as we know, haven't had oops. Is this right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, as far as we know, we haven't had the virus, which is good. So, except for when we were all nearly dying in January and February, I have wondered. Okay, so full boxes now. I think I'm gonna use this one. Oh, because we only have 7. So if we do quote pattern dog, quote pattern dog quote. Okay, so these don't actually fit properly, so I'm gonna have to, I just measured them, they're 2 inches exactly, and obviously Erin Condren boxes are not, which is funny because like I thought, oh, maybe it was meant to be a happy planner kit, but that can't be either because those are 2.25. So whoops, not this one. this one. So I'm not sure exactly what happened there, but I'm just going to overlap them. I think the dogs are playing, which is extremely unusual for these two. I think the Frenchie's bored. If you hear growling, it's not an angry growl. It's her want to play growl, but don't, whoops, no, down here. But don't know how to tell people I want to play, or tell other dogs even that I want to play. She's very awkward. Wow, can I get this sticker down to save my life? Well, it's crooked and it's staying there. So quote pattern dog. Quote oh, I think I should, let's do dog pattern quote. Shoot. Okay, I guess that's staying there. We'll do this one here. And then we'll do the last quote in the middle, I think. Okay, so there are only 6 of these, so I'm gonna do a full box, but this one I'm gonna trim so that it fits in there properly. So let me just trim. How much space do I have here? Let's do it in centimeters. Can't even see that. .8, and this is 5.1-ish. So let's take 0.2 off the top. And 0.1 off the bottom. Okay, so this one should fit almost perfectly in here, and I'm gonna put it here to mark that she's coming home on Friday. And then the rest of the days are each gonna get one of these. So let's do this and oh, I was gonna put a school thing at the top of each one though, so let me put that down first. So I actually think I could use all of these colors, but I'll see if we do school. Not centered, it's okay. And then this. And then school. And then we'll do I think I could use the blue ones too. I don't think it would be the end of the world. We'll do that. And this here. Okay. So I only need 5 of these anyway. School and oops. Excuse me. Okay, and then last one, school. And then I won't put one there, and then these ones will get 1 each. So we'll do, the dog is so cute. We'll do that and that. Okay, then I'm gonna add in the sidebar, I'm thinking like 1, 2, and then I think the third one will fit just fine there. So let's start with this one. Okay, and then we'll put this down. Like that, and then we'll put, oh yeah, that's perfect. Okay. Okay. So I think I'm gonna stop there for now. This is a great pre-plan. I will figure out before I put other boxes down, like last week, because last week, I mean, it looks really cute, but I really don't have a ton of stuff to enter in. So I will leave it like this for now and fill it in sort of with the appropriate boxes after she actually gets home and tells me how her week was, what they did, etc. So that is it for this planner for the week of June 8th. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me out over on Instagram and Etsy at A Pretty Planscape. I will see you all again soon. Bye, friends.